If you look at most of our manufacturing plants, Schneider is there providing all different types of solutions. We are learning and collaborating on several individual proof of technologies and proof of concepts in terms of industrial Internet of Things, digital factories and digital plants, to truly understand how Schneider has driven their digital transformation, has driven their digital factories, and take those learnings and lessons and then put it back into our experience. Schneider Electric has been a strong player, helping us to learn and also collaborate on experiences that really matter in terms of digital factories and digitalizing our plants.
We've historically, 100 years back, been a hardware manufacturer. We make lots of pieces that do really cool things. Bringing those things together in a connected capacity that captures the information, or the data rather, that drives that informational output is what really matters. It's eco-structure, right? So Schneider sees the world in a three-tiered approach. Those connected devices that gather all of that data. We're able to put that data in a methodology or an information pack that can be processed through advanced analytics to identify what's really happening in the factory and where they need to make tweaks. So we see it in an end-to-end perspective. Part of the reason that we're good at this is we're a manufacturer. We have 200 plus factories around the world where we're, for lack of a better phrase, eating our own food. These are the things that we're really good at. Recently rated 2 years in a row now by Gartner as number 4 in supply chain management.
This is a test and learn that we wanted to do with Royal Canin, where we are trying to optimize our giveaway, which is once we manufacture a product, there's a lot of variance in the product, and we want to reduce the variance to a minimum. Schneider really helped us to conduct a proof of technology using their existing technology, where they capture the data and use their existing models to give an optimized outcome. That has been a very interesting proof of technology, working with Schneider on it, and a lot of learnings how we can optimize our plants by simulating the digital way of the process, at the same time ensuring that we are applying data and AI in the back to get to optimized results.
They've seen us as a big gray box guy for a long time. And there's a lot more to what we offer. It's not just about automation. It's not just about sustainability. It's not just about electrical distribution, power, surveillance, security and access control. It's about bringing all of those things together that bring an efficient manufacturing operation that is secure. Looking at the bigger picture, we see the world moving away from hardware. We see it moving into a decoupled environment where it doesn't matter what the PLC is. What matters is the data set that's behind that, and how do we crunch that data to provide information, again, for better output for the client, so that they can become more efficient, more sustainable, less waste, better metrics, better sustainability in the planet.
Schneider is a great leader in its own space of electrical and digital manufacturing support. Versus Mars, we are very much leaders in our manufacturing processes, in manufacturing food and pet food products. So bringing that synergy and experiences together has become a real important thing in how we learn from each other and how we make a difference.
And what's really cool about working with Mars, and one of my favorite things, is that they are in fact open. They live by the 5 principles, one of which is mutuality, right? What is mutually beneficial for all stakeholders? And they talk about these. These are their culture. These are the things that matter to them. So from a relationship perspective, at times I find it challenging because there's so many things going on, but we're in a great space, and I think I'm pretty fortunate to have Mars as a client, and look forward to another 10 years.